Welcome. In this video I will tell you if LENOVO V15 has a web camera. So the answer is quick and simple. It does. It's located right above your display. It has a security shutter which is manual. To shut your camera you have to move it to the left side, and to uncover it you have to move it to the right. And it doesn't have any infrared scanners to it, so you cannot use it for Microsoft Windows Hello. So facial recognition is not available in this camera, but it does have a security indicator which lets you know whenever the camera is turned on by lightning white color. And it also has two microphones integrated on the sides of the camera. And so that's basically the answer. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.